Looking to build web apps with Python? In this video, we'll cover 10 popular Python web frameworks to help you choose the best one for your project. Let's get started. Django is a full-featured, high-level framework perfect for building large, database-driven applications like e-commerce sites. It comes with built-in tools for authentication, ORM, and security, making development fast and secure. Flask is a micro-framework that gives you total control. It's lightweight and perfect for small apps, APIs, or when you want flexibility in your project's structure. Pyramid is versatile and scalable. Start small and add complexity as needed. It's ideal for projects that need to grow over time. For real-time applications like chat or gaming, Tornado is your best bet. It's asynchronous and handles thousands of connections simultaneously. Bottle is a super simple single-file framework, great for small projects, quick prototypes, or lightweight APIs. Web2py is a full-stack framework with a web-based IDE, making it easy to build secure, scalable applications quickly, no configuration required. CherryPy is object-oriented and minimal. It's perfect if you want to build your app's architecture while handling the basics of HTTP. FastAPI is built for speed. It's perfect for high-performance APIs and comes with automatic OpenAPI documentation and async support. Need data visualizations? Dash makes it easy to build interactive dashboards and reports, especially for data science projects. Falcon is all about performance. It's lightweight and optimized for building fast, reliable APIs and microservices. From Django to FastAPI, there's a Python framework for every project. Choose the one that fits your needs and start building today.